Hello and greetings from Percentilers. My name is Mayank and you are watching the 24th video of 100 LRDI challenge for CAT 2020. So let's begin with our set. Name of the set is DOM Repair, a very interesting set. You would see that a lot of Sudoku skills are used in this set. Please read this and this. Okay, so before moving on to the questions, we would like to simplify the data and organize something. So there are three kinds of repairs: light, moderate, and extensive. Extensive being the most expensive one. Okay, so as per the points mentioned to us, no odd numbered DOM need a light repair. That means only the even numbered DOMs. So second, fourth, this is DOM number. Okay, but there are only three DOMs. We have to choose any three of these five even numbers. Similarly, no even number DOM needs a moderate repair, which means only the odd numbered, and there are four such DOMs which need moderate repair. And the multiple of 3 do not need the extensive repair, so we would have to acknowledge all the numbers which are not multiples of 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, then 7, 8, then 10, and only 3 of these numbers get extensive repair. We would also like to write the cost immediately below the DOM number. So 1 crore, 1 crore, and 2 crores. Then there are 3 DOMs which need 3 crore repairs each, and one with 4 crore repairs. 2 DOMs in extensive which need 6 crore each, and one with 5 crore each. Alright, then a very important easy piece of information given to us, that DOM 7 needing the maximum and DOM 8 needing the minimum. I would write DOM number 8th needing the minimum cost, which is 1 crore, and DOM number 7 needing the maximum, and 8 over here. Fine, and I have to strike out 7 and 8 from the list everywhere. Now we know that among the moderate ones there are 4 DOMs, and in the list there were 5, and we have already striked out 7. That means these are the 4 which need moderate repairs. So 1, 3, 5, and 9. So I'm going to remove 1, 3, 5, and 9 from the other lists because they are now getting confirmed among the moderate repair ones. Now we have closed down to 2, 4, and 10. 2 of these are going to get extensive repair, and 2, 4, 6, and 10, 2 of these are going to get light repairs. Now if we see 2, 4, and 10 are present in the light as well as in extensive, but 6 is not present anywhere else. Okay, that which implies that 6 has to get a light repair. Now whether DOM number 6 is going to get a 1 crore repair or a 2 crore repair, for that we know that since DOM number 8 is already getting a 1 crore repair, DOM number 6 must get a 2 crore repair. So I'm writing this suffixes th because we should not get confused between the DOM number and the amount. Okay, so anybody who gets confused, you have to understand that it was written that in the second point all the DOMs from DOM number 4 to DOM number 9 need different repair costs. So 8th number DOM had already got 1 crore repair, 6th would not have gotten. So I already told you that a lot of Sudoku skills are going to be tested in this. So 6 is already done. We are left with 2, 4, and 10. Now for sure we cannot write DOM number 4 in a 1 crore repair, and only one space is left, one slot is left in the light repair category. So we cannot write 4 over here because DOM number 8 already has gotten a 1 crore repair. So DOM number 4 cannot get a 1 crore repair, owing to the same point that I showed you. I'm going to strike out 4 from here, and I'm going to write 2/10. In a 1 crore repair, another slot was left. I'm going to write 2nd or 10th. One of these DOMs is going to get a 1 crore repair, while 4 will be given to 5 crore repair because DOM number 7 has already gotten. So I'm going to write 4th here, and 4 is gone. Okay, another 6 crore repair is left, and again we have an ambiguity between 10th and 2nd. So I'm going to write 10/2 over here. Now among DOM number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 6, 7, 8 are done. 5 and 9 we are confused about. Okay, so one between 5 and 9 is going to get a 3 crore repair, and one is going to get a 4 crore repair, and the other two, DOM number 1 and 3, are going to get 3 crore repairs only. So I'm going to write 1 and 3 here, and I'm confused between 5 and 9, so I have to write it with ambiguity. This is with a lot of ambiguities, basically two ambiguities, between 5 and 9 and between 2 and 10. We have roughly made this table, and we are going to try to answer the questions on the basis of this table only. This was the best that we could do. Okay, so this is it. So which of the following is not necessarily true? If you have seen our previous videos, in one of the sets, which was United Nations conference or something like that, I had mentioned that whenever this kind of question comes, I always want to start trying out from the last option, because that could be a cunning trick by the question maker, that since you have to try each statement given in the option, he might want you to waste your time, and most probably would make the answer as his fourth or fifth option. So which is, it's not foolproof, but still, option 4 says DOM 10 repair will cost no more than rupees 4 crore. So DOM number 10, you see that DOM number 10 could cost 1 crore also, and could cost 6 crore also. So this is not necessarily true, and it again worked for me that I started with the last option and it became the answer. By the way, I would also like you to know how to strike out options 1, 2 and 3, though we have gotten our answer. But let us see. Option 1 says DOM 1 needs a moderate repair. Moderate repair means 3 or 4, and DOM number 1 is under the 3 crore, so this is necessarily true. Okay, DOM 5 repair will cost no more than 4 crore. So DOM 5 we are not sure, but we are sure that it needs a moderate repair only, because 5 is either here or here. So DOM 5 will not need more than 4 crore. This is also necessarily true. And DOM 7 needs an extensive repair. 7 has an exact place, so this is also necessarily true. Only the fourth option is not necessarily true. Okay, second question, what is the total cost of repairing the odd numbered DOMs? Odd numbered DOMs are first, third, fifth, and I'm going to write ninth here only, seventh. Okay, so first we are sure about it needs 3 crore, okay, rupees crores, 3 crore, and third needs a 3 crore rupee repair. Fifth and ninth we are confused, but we know that one of them is 3 and one of them is 4, and 7 we are sure about it, 6. Okay, so the answer is 19 crores. 19 crores of rupees is needed for repairing all the odd numbered DOMs. We are done with 2 questions, and for the other 2 questions we have further information. Further information is 4 out of the 10 DOMs needing repair are women's DOMs and need a total of 20 crore for repairing. Okay, so we know that we have 2 slots in 6 crore, 1 in 5, 1 in 4, and 3 in 3. Okay, so if we have to add 4 numbers to make 20, it has got to be 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3. I hope it makes sense to you. And if you need, you pause the video and you figure out why this is the only combination. Okay, some people would say that it could be 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 also. But we do not have 2 slots in 5 crore. So this is the only combination available to us under the present circumstances. Okay, so it also says that only one in the first 5 DOMs, only one DOM belongs to women. Okay, and that I'm sure is going to be DOM number 4th, because we have to have a 5 crore slot and there is only one DOM over here. So 4th, that means in the 6 crore slots, 2nd cannot be there, hence 10th cannot be in the 1 crore slot. Okay, so I'm going to write DOM number 7th and 10th. And for 3 crore, we cannot have 1 or 3 or 5. That means DOM number 9 is in the 3 crore club, which means 5th DOM needs a 4 crore repair. Okay, so we are done with all the ambiguities for this. I think now we know exact location of each DOM I mean, by location, I mean location in the table. Okay, so the fabulous job. So these 2 points were amazing pieces of data which made the table exclusive for each DOM and its location in the table. So what is the cost of repairing for DOM number 9? We now surely know it. It's 3 crores. It's 3 crore rupees. DOM number 9. And which of the following is women's DOM? So DOM number 4th, 7th, 9th and 10th, and purposefully there is only one of them mentioned here. So DOM number 10 is a woman's DOM. So that would be it for this set. I hope you liked the way of solving. I hope you liked the table making, the explanation and everything. So if you really liked our selection of questions and way of solving, then please do subscribe to us. And to do that, all you need to do is click on the link which is showing on your screen right away. So this is Mayank signing off. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching this space for more such videos. Thank you so very much.